As we step into the realm of board directorship, the journey begins with a profound understanding of our own capabilities and how they align with the roles we aspire to. It's pivotal to meticulously articulate our experience and skills on our CV and LinkedIn profile. This initial step is not just about showcasing our past, but about painting a vivid picture of our potential as board members. Transitioning from executive roles to non-executive directorships demands a unique set of skills, including exceptional communication abilities and an independent mindset. The role of a non-executive director places a premium on one's ability to challenge, persuade, and diplomatically navigate the boardroom. It's about being the instrumental voice that shapes the future direction of an organization. In the quest for board roles, leveraging professional networks and executive search firms can be a game changer. Platforms like Board Excellence and others play a crucial role in connecting seasoned professionals with organizations seeking fresh perspectives. Remember, the essence of securing a board position often lies in being discovered rather than solely applying. The landscape of corporate boards is evolving, with a growing demand for diversity in expertise and background. This shift opens doors for leaders from non-traditional backgrounds, offering a unique opportunity to contribute to a board's success. Embrace this trend and position yourself as a candidate who brings valuable insights and diversity of thought to the table. Finally, preparation meets opportunity. Enhancing your visibility through speaking engagements and publications, coupled with continuous networking, sets the stage for board opportunities. Additionally, equipping yourself with formal education, like a diploma in corporate governance, ensures you not only find a board role, but excel in it. Your journey to board directorship is a testament to the value of preparation, visibility, and the right connections.